Question number 7 from reading 20. What is the variance? मतलब पूछा है sigma square. So again we know the formula for sigma square. We know the formula for sigma p. पहले वो लिख लेते हैं. The standard deviation. Simple वैसे ही calculate करते हैं. W1 sigma 1 whole square plus W2 sigma 2 whole square plus 2W1 sigma 1 W2 sigma 2 R. Let's see data क्या क्या दिया है. First let's calculate the standard deviation. So two stock portfolio W1 is 15%. यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ. W1 15% is invested in stock A, so that is W1, and the variance of that is given. So we have not been given a standard deviation. So directly you cannot take this value. You have to take a square root of this thing. Why? Because variance दिया है. Variance का अगर square root लोगे तो you will get a standard deviation. So first we have to take the standard deviation of this thing, also the standard deviation of this thing, so that we'll get the sigma 1 and sigma 2. So I'm not writing, but I'll directly store in memories. Otherwise, गलत हो सकता है. So the variance of stock A is 0.0071. 0.0071. Take a square root of that and store in memory number. I'm storing it in memory number 7. ठीक है. And the variance of stock B is 0.0008. Take a square root of this thing and store in memory number 8. So I have standard deviation of stock 1 and 2 are in memory number 7 and 8. जहां पे स्टोर कर रहे हो याद रखो कहां पे किया है. I'm storing in memory number 7 and 8 so that I can use these keys जैसे हम हमेशा करते हैं. So let's do the calculations. W1 is 15%. 15% into sigma 1. अभी sigma 1 I have stored in memory number 7. So recall 7 equal to, and then take a square of this thing and store in memory number 1. अभी W second term के लिए W2 is 85%. For stock B it is 85% into sigma 2. Sigma 2 I have stored in memory number 8. Recall 8 equal to, and then take square of this thing and store in memory number 2. And now the third term 2 W1 sigma 1 W2 sigma 2 into R. So 2 into W1, that's 15%. 15% into sigma 1. Sigma 1 is in recall 7 into W2 is 85%. 85% into sigma 2 is recall 8 into R करना बाकी है, that's 0.04. they have given R is correlation, so they have given in the question it is minus, so press 0.04 and then press on plus minus button equal to. So 0 आया है इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कुछ वैल्यू नहीं है, इसके आगे कुछ तो होगा. So you need to store in memory, right? 0 भी आया है, still store in memory number 3. Now I have all the values. Recall 1 plus recall 2 recall 3. Let's do it. Recall 1 plus recall 2 plus recall 3 equal to, that came to 0.0007. That's option A. Why I'm not taking square root of this thing? अगर मैं इसका square root लूंगी तो मुझे standard deviation मिलेगा. Let's see. I'm storing this answer in memory number 9. अगर मैं इसका square root लेती हूँ so that option would be always there. So do not get confused. क्या पूछा है? They have asked variance. मतलब you don't need to take a square root. अगर variance, अगर standard deviation पूछा है तो square root लेना है, then answer would be C. But we have been asked variance. Variance is nothing but standard deviations का square. So इसको square करो या फिर do not get confused. यहाँ पे आपको square root लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, so that you will get the variance. Yeah. So the answer for this one is recall 9. So answer is A, right?